Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new 2022 Heli Pneumatic Diesel Forklift, model number CPCD30KU14H. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 6,000 pounds, and it runs on diesel, and there you can see that it has three-way hydraulics. While I'm on this side, I'll show you that it has this handy cup holder as well. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a three-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now looking at the forks, these are 42-inch standard tapered forks. If you need 48-inch, we could make that happen. Looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. And coming up here to the lights, we have these combination lights here on the front that have that work light as well as a turn signal, and we also have that ultra bright LED headlights as well. Coming inside of the cab, we have lots more features, including that convex rear view mirror. We have this steering wheel knob here, as well as a fully adjustable steering column. Speaking of full adjustability, this is a fully adjustable full suspension seat. It adjusts here with your suspension, as well as forwards and backwards, and with your incline and recline. And we have that orange high visibility safety belt as well. Back on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that gives your operator access to a horn at all times, even when they're backing up. And as I mentioned, this runs on diesel, so here's where you would fill up your tank. Now coming back to the back, we have lots more lights, starting with that key-activated rear blue safety spotlight. You also see those combination lights that show your brakes, as well as your turn signals, and that your reverse, and you'll hear the backup alarm as well. And you also notice that yellow strobe up there on the top. Now that yellow strobe is movable and repositionable because it is magnetic. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.